Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to see if someone posted their location in Find My iPhone. So first open your Find My iPhone app on your phone and then here you will see yourself on this page. So go to the People's tab in the bottom left. Click on People. Here you will see all the contacts that you share locations with. So they can see your location and you can see theirs. Now click on the contact here or click on sample contact for example, and then here it gets interesting. So if under the name of the contact it says location unavailable, this could mean a few simple things. Now, sadly, it doesn't really mean that this person has posted their location on Find My iPhone. And actually, there's no actual way of knowing if someone posted their location, but there are three possible reasons. Maybe they post their location sharing, in which case you have to know by asking them directly, or else their phone is turned off, so the battery has been drained, or their phone lost signal or ran out of battery. So these are the three possible reasons, but you can't actually know very precisely if someone turned off their location. So yeah, there are a lot of main reasons that the location is turned off. So you won't see updates until they turn location sharing back on or reconnect to a signal. So yeah, I advise you to be patient and the app will be automatically refreshed once the person is available again. So that's it guys, I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.